Today, let's explore the powerful word, appreciate. It helps you express gratitude and value, making your English sound warm and thoughtful. To appreciate means to recognize and enjoy the value or good qualities of something or someone. It's often about feeling thankful or grateful. A common mistake is to use appreciate when you mean just like or love. Appreciate is more about valuing or recognizing, not just liking something. You can say, appreciate something, appreciate someone's effort, appreciate the time, or appreciate it when someone helps you. Often followed by a noun or a verb ending with ing. I really appreciate your help today. She appreciates good music and art. We appreciate when people are honest with us. They appreciated the chance to share their ideas. A young man forgot to say thank you to his teacher for years. One day, he finally did, and the teacher's smile showed how much she appreciated his kind words. Think, appreciate sounds like a prize I ate. When you appreciate something, imagine enjoying a prize, you value it deeply. Remember, appreciate means to value and be thankful. Try using it in your next conversation. See you next time.